Hello guys, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn $1,955 quickly from home, and you're not going to need any website, and you're not going to need any experience. So this is a great way for you to make some big money. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, the method I'm going to show you today, it is going to be the bomb, but I also want to show you that if you want to make even bigger money, check out my link right here to make big money here link on my YouTube channel right here. You just click that link. This is what I do online and how I make a full-time passive online income. So you could check that out right there and I'll tell you more about it. But right now, let's go to what I'm going to show you in this method today. That's going to be pretty good, guys, okay? So you're going to need a few things for this method. And the first thing you're going to need is this. You got to go to justdropped.com, okay? What is this site? This site is about domains that have expired. And you can buy these expired domains and then resell them. And I'm going to show you how you're going to resell them and how you're going to make it into a package and sell it as a package. So what you're trying to do here is that you're going to be putting together a domain and a logo for someone who wants to start a new company. Okay. So sometimes people don't know what names to come up with for a new business that they have. So they go to the internet to find places where people are selling domain names and packages that include even a logo. So I'm going to show you all the different pieces. So don't forward so that you can see every single step. Okay. All right. So the first step, it is to buy a expired domain. And you just need to go to this site. It's called justdropped.com. You want to go to join newsletter. Okay. Because what you're going to get every single day is a list of the new domains that have expired and available for you to buy. And if you are not quick, then these domains can be sold very quickly. So if I look at the current, this is today's list here. It's dated Friday. Okay, this is the day I'm recording it. So you do have to buy these domains for a low price. So they go from $69 all the way up to about $400. So what you're looking for though is not just any domain. You want to look for, first of all, .com. Second, you want it to be 12 letters or less. Okay. Look at this one. It just sold .com. I mean, that is a great domain to buy, guys. Okay. And that one's only $69. It says perfect domain for realtor. Yeah, that is a great domain for realtor. And also, I'm going to show you tools that it's going to be very easy for you to make the free, to get the logo made for your domain. Okay, so don't worry about that. So you can see here, there are so many domains that you can buy. And so this is a Friday. And then so you can see here from Thursday, the day before that. So there's all these domains that you can buy. So you want them to be brandable. So there you go. So this is your first step, is to buy a domain that is brandable, 12 letters or less. So for example, I'm going to just use this for example, itjustsold.com. So if you're going to pick that, you're going to buy it. Then you're going to go to freelogodesign.org. Not .com, okay? So freelogodesign.org, and then you're gonna put in here the domain name that you bought. So the domain name is it just sold. So and then you just click get started, and then you're gonna say I'm not gonna create my own logo. I'm not a good graphic designer, so I'm gonna let the computer do it. Okay, I'm not gonna let the AI, the machine do it. So what they're going to do is take you through a series of questions, and then they're going to create the logos for you. So slogan, you can use it or not. So it just sold. Maybe I'll put like, so I just made up this slogan, buy or sell your home painlessly. And I'm going to press next, realtor. So they even give you icons to select for your logo so you can kind of pick what kind of logo you want. I mean, they have so many. This is insane, right? Isn't this awesome? And I keep scrolling down. It's not stopping. So you have tons of ideas here to make your logo with. Okay, I'm just going to pick one from the beginning. So I like money, so I'm just going to pick this one for example. Now you can pick the color themes that you like, depending on what kind of mood that you want to do. So I'm just going to do this one to see what it's like. And I'm going to go for futuristic this time. Let's see what happens. Wow, look at this. You see? You get a bunch of different types of examples of what your logo can look like. And you could just basically just take one of these and do a screenshot and use that as your logo for the domain, okay? And so you could obviously still do a lot of edits. So you could just pick one of these and then you could change the font styles or change the coloring, and you could go through the different options that they have to finalize your logo with. So it is very easy, guys. You see how you don't need any experience. Then you're going to go to a site called Brandpa. Brandpa.com. This is where you can list your package. This is how you're going to package your stuff to sell. And look at this, guys. So look at the prices that these people are selling their packages for, okay? $1,955 is the amount that I said in the beginning of this video, and that's just the minimum amount that I was looking at on this site. Look at this, TV ID, $100,000. Okay, so that is the low end. So you can go as high as $100,000, $5,000, $35,000, $3,000, $2,500. And you saw how easy it was to make one of these logos. It is not that hard at all using this website here, Free Logo Design. So this is a very great way. Look at this. Stack chain, 15,500. But for this site, you do need to check out how you are going to, they have certain rules of the different domains that they are selling on here. And one of the requirements is a domain that is 12 letters or less. And that's how I got the 12 letters from, because that's what they want. Okay. So you can see some examples of how people are doing this. So you got to make sure you have the domain. You got to buy it. You have to own it before you can sell it. Okay. That's why you need to do that. And then you just create a logo. You could create it through that free site, or you do it your own if you know how to. And then you just put it on a site like this and sell it for a lot of money. This is just one place, guys. There's tons of other online spaces that you can sell this on, like Fiverr.com or peopleperhour.com or 99designs.com. There's a lot of different places where you can sell a domain and a logo. And there are a lot of entrepreneurs who buy these things because they don't want to have, you're going to save them a lot of time to already create like the branding already for the company. So they just buy this and they already have a big start, and saves them a lot of money and time. Well, I don't know about saving a lot of money, but you do save a lot of time, and time is money. So I hope you like this method. I thought that was a very cool method. And again, this could be passive as well, because you just gotta buy the domain, create the logo, put it up for selling, and then you could make money any time of the day, because you don't know when somebody's going to buy. And if you can submit a lot of different ones, get into a snowball effect where you could sell a bunch almost every day kind of thing if you have a lot of these done on the internet. So if you have yourself listed on like not only Brandpa, but on a bunch of different sites, you can really take this into a full-time income. So that is how you can make money online this way. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't like to do this type of work for making big money, then check out the first link that I showed you on my YouTube channel that is on the right corner of my YouTube channel art, or in my About tab of my YouTube channel. It's on the bottom of that page if you're on mobile, so you could look at it there. So that is how you can find out how I make money online, guys, and what I use to make a full-time income passively. And so I hope you liked this video today, guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. It really helps out my channel. And also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Alright, guys, I hope you make big money soon. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.